hungry. What should I have for a snack? I've got the perfect idea. I'm going to make a banana smoothie, my favorite snack ever. And I'm going to show you guys my secret recipe on how to make it. So let's go. Okay, let's start making this smoothie. So the first thing you'll need is, well, you saw. And now we're going to add the ice first. I like adding the ice first. Why? It's not coming out. And you're going to put your banana in now. Break it out, put it in there. And you're going to be putting your yogurt in now. And I'm just going to put that in time lapse. Okay, now I'm going to add the honey. Okay, now we're just going to add the milk. Time to blend. Now it's time to drink it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and I hope you like this video, so bye!